In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change group icon in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app and then get into group. Once you've done that, top and the very top and groups, then edit. And that's where you can change the icon for your group. Just stop and edit, and then select whether you want to take a photo, or choose photo from your camera roll. Also, you can select emoji and sticker, and then you will be able to create group. Photo looks like that. And also, you can search web and reset icon. Then you can top it at photo, and let's say I want to set a photo from my camera roll. I can easily do so in that simple way. Once you're done with that, don't forget to hit add done. That's how you can easily change group icon in WhatsApp.